welcome, here I've got DOOGEE S95 Pro and let me show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more modes of this camera with QR code mode, so just one tap here and we get access to QR code scanner, and we can easily scan QR codes by putting them inside the square, so this is really easy here. And of course there's no problem to go back to standard photo mode. We have to simply tap on X button in the right corner and we are again in the camera. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.